Hi! Welcome to PG Academy, where we empower businesses to succeed. I'm Renita Tanayan, your account officer. When is the best time to apply for loan? Ito po yung tatalakayin natin ngayon.
Kailan yung tamang timing sa pag-a-apply ng business loan?
Ang tamang timing for applying business loan is when you start to grow your businesses. Of course, you need to expand your business, and because of the demand of your clients and customers, you need to magdagdag ng manpower, inventories to accommodate your clients.
Open naman po sa lahat ng businesses?
Yes, of course. Open naman sila sa lahat ng businesses. Meron tayong naging client na nasa medical industry, fishing, and other businesses.
Nice! Diba?
Perfect!
Ma'am,
Yes.
ano po yung may recommend nyo sa akin para po mas mabilis akong ma-approve sa loan ko?
For the recommendation for approval of your application with Prime Global Finance, kailangan establish ang business mo. Second, kailangan capable ka magbayad ng amortization mo. One of our requirements is your bank account and financial statement to check your capability.
Ma'am, saan ko po ba talaga i-aalat yung business loan ko?
You should know the main purpose of your application. Of course, do the cash flow para hindi ka mahirapan sa pagbabayad ng amortization mo. Kasi some of businesses and borrowers, hindi nila pinaplano kung saan nila gagamitin yung funds. They apply for this, for that, pero hindi talaga yun, doon napupunta yun. So, ang ending nan is nagdidelinquent tayo.
Ma'am, kailangan mo po ba akong magmadali sa pag-apply ng loan?
Kung kaya today, why not? Pero kailangan sure ka kung mag-a-apply ka for business loan. Sa pag-apply ng business loan, hindi mo kailangan magmadali agad. Kailangan mong pag-isipan. Una, hindi lang naman ikaw ang maapektuhan, kundi ang business mo din at ang mga manpower mo na tumutulong sa'yo to grow your business.
Ano yung mga dapat kong i-consider at pag-isipan mabuti pagdating sa pag-o-offer sa akin ng mga financial company?
Of course, you need to consider the interest rate of other financing, and of course, you need to compare PG Finance with the other financing, which is we offer lower interest rate. Of course, we have longer term compared with the other financing company. If we convert our interest into add-on rate, nasa less than 1% tayo.
Wow, okay. Okay. That's nice.
Thank you for watching PG Academy. Again, I'm Renita Tanayan, your account officer. Financing made easy here in PG Finance.